Having trouble getting threads to sync with Instagram? Here's how to fix it quickly and keep both apps connected. First thing you want to do is update both the apps. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Threads, then search for the app Instagram. If you find the option of update for any of the app, just click on it and update it. Next up, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, so launch settings. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget the network. Likewise, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Enable for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is log out and log in back. So launch Instagram. Navigate to the profile page, click on three bars, scroll all the way down, click on logout, click on logout. Then again log in back and try to connect your threads with Instagram. This might fix your issue. If the solution didn't work out for you, contact Instagram support team. So launch Instagram, navigate to settings and activity page, click on the option help, click on the option report your problem, click on report problem without shaking, click on don't include. Now here explain about the issue that you are unable to connect with threads and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. So this way you can easily fix threads not syncing with Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.